Okay, take the challenge. Let's see if we can show you how to do it. Open up Google Chrome or Safari on your computer and type in ICIWorld.mobi. Press enter. One of our mobile websites comes up. At the very top right hand corner, you're going to see three little dots. I click on those three little dots at the top right hand corner and it says add to home screen down near the bottom. There it is. I'm going to add to home screen. I'm going to add it again. Now in my case, all my little additions to the home screen are on the very last page. You'll see it get added. In order to bring it to the front, I hold it down, slide it onto the left edge of the page without going over, and I bring it back to the front, which you'll see it on the front, which is actually the same as the one that I had on the top left. So I really don't need it. It's an extra one. So I'm going to remove it from my home screen. And now I'm going to demonstrate a shortcut. All of those are shortcuts that you see at the top right corner of my screen. I'm going to click on the ICIWorld.mobi one at the top left. 1 second basically to open the app. 1 second to click on search commercial. And then 1 second to click on search database. And you see absolutely the latest listings coming on the screen, such as you see on the screen here. If you hit the back button once, you can sort them by price and do a search. All of these listings that you see here are all less than 90 days old. Okay, that's just the beginning. Learn how to use this particular form to search, and that's how to search within basically 4 to 7 seconds. You can find buyers and sellers and all of that. What is it going to look like if you search the World one? The one just below that one, WREILS.com. The same thing is true here. You go down here, in this case, you can click on search commercial. Now I'm going to click on businesses this time. And then this time I'm just going to change it to a want just for fun. And search the database. There's active buyers looking to buy all kinds of things in the business. Every single member that's a member on ICIWorld can find these businesses in your local marketplace. And why not find what people are actually driving around looking at properties today? Why not ask somebody in your marketplace, what are they, if you could get them a buyer, would they consider selling? Ask all the owners in your area, whether it's a pharmacy, anything at all. You'll see all the different kinds of businesses being acted out here. Let me do one more. I'm going to go all the way back. And I'm going to do one more, which is our ILS.realestate, the third one down. And you're going to notice it's the same thing. You can click on search ILS.realestate in the middle, which I did. And again, I can search commercial, businesses. In this case, I'm going to search residential. And you'll see that you can pick the business area way up at the top. But I'm just going to go ahead and search down at the bottom. And you'll see new listings coming in, homes for sale throughout the industry, coming for sale. You can be working all kinds of exclusive type information in the marketplace. 50% of these listings are not on real estate boards. 75% of the commercial are not on real estate boards. In other words, they're all unique on ICIWorld, and we'd like to invite you to place yours and get them out to the industry. Tens of thousands of people are reading this information regularly. That completes our session. Feel free to make an appointment. Go to ICIWorld.com and make an appointment, or you can make it